Oh, Max, you're so funny. Snoring. It's not a silent night, it's oh snoring Max. But you look so cute with your Christmas hat on. Sleep well, Max.